Today we will start the practice of narration. Okay, so let us start with the practice of narration. So I'm writing on board some of the sentences, and those students who want to participate in the discussion, just raise up your hands so that I can ask you the answers. Yes, I'm unmuting you. Unmute yourselves. Yes. So let me write on the board, and I'm switching towards the board. Manasi, I have unmuted you. I don't know why. Yes, Rhythm Garg also I have unmuted you. So let us focus towards the board. Okay. Now here it is. Rhythm, I have unmuted you. Unmute yourself. Yes, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. So now you will be giving me answers side by side. Okay, so for narration, I'm writing on the board, and I will send you some extra assignment for prepositions too, right? So that you will have the complete idea of prepositions. So this is narration that we are going to do today. Okay, narration. So the first one is Sarla said, my father is a my father has a roaring business. Roaring means flourishing, very sound. In Mumbai. Yes. What will be the answer? Speak out.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Sarla said that my father had a room.
Sarla said right. Then don't you think that this my will change into her change of pronouns? Why?
His father.
His
That's her father.
her father
What
Have a roaming business
had
by.
a roaring business in Mumbai. Okay.
In Mumbai.
Will change into had. Okay. Next, afterwards, second one. He said to me, I am feeling unwell today. He said to me, I'm feeling unwell
he,
today. Yes.
Ma'am,
He
can I
told
tell?
me that
he told me that he is feeling
unwell that
unwell
day.
today.
He told
That
me
he
that
Unwell that day.
he what? He
He was.
Is feeling
he was. Okay, he was
Feeling
feeling unwell. Today will
that
change
day.
into
that day.
that day. Today will also change into that day. Next, she said to them, don't do that. Let us write down. Radha says, I shall finish my homework today. Yes, Radha.
Radha
Says
said that
that
she shall finish her homework
Radha says
that
that
day.
I'm not getting after that what you are saying.
Radha
says that
she shall finish her work
Her
that day.
work that day. Right.
No
Next.
change in tense.
ma'am today will change into that day or not?
Yes, today will change into that day, of course. It will change into that day.
Ma'am, बस tense ही नहीं change होना.
No, shall we change?
Just
Because it
yeah,
is
guys.
this reporting verb is in future. Sorry, simple present tense. When the reporting verb is in simple present tense or it is in simple future tense, then there is no change in the tense. This we have read. This rule I have told you. This is the simplest rule. Next, a similar one. Rajesh says, says, she has brought a fair name to her family. She has brought a fair name to her family. To her family. Yes.
Says that she has brought a fair name to her family.
Yes, there won't be again any change because here again the reporting verb, it is in simple present tense. When the reporting verb is in simple present tense, there is no change. So again, in order to confirm this rule, I'm writing, I say, I spoiled all my books.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, but
I say that I spoiled my all my
I
books.
say that I spoiled all my books.
I say that I spoiled all my
All my books.
books is right.
Books.
Next. Rajni says, I am burning midnight oil. What is the meaning of midnight oil? Burning midnight
Doing
oil.
hard work.
And doing very
Doing
much
hard work.
Okay, right. Very good.
Hard work. Doing hard work.
Change it.
Rajni
Rajni
says
says
that
that
she is
she
burning
wa-
she is
midnight
burning
oil.
midnight
burning
oil.
midnight oil.
Burning midnight oil.
Oil.
Right. Next. I shall say, I went to Agra on Monday. I went to Agra on Monday. Yes.
I shall say that I want to. I want
went
to.
to Agra
go-
on Monday because again
went to Agra on
Monday.
Monday.
Because again here the reporting verb is in which tense? It is in simple future tense, and when there is simple future tense in the reporting verb, then again the tense is also not changing. Okay, so this was the rule that we have revised. Okay, so now let us start with the further practice.
Yes, ma'am.
Board. I will send some extra sentences to you in the form of assignment that you will solve, and tomorrow in the class I will ask you those sentences, right? So that you will have complete and good practice of narration. Next is
Ma'am, we need to do the discussion of test.
discussion. Yes, tomorrow I will
Yes.
give you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will do because some of the tests they remain unchecked. I will check and then I'll discuss them. Next, I said, I am speaking the truth. I am speaking the truth. Yes. Change it.
I
I
said that
said that I am speaking the
I
truth.
said that I was
I
speaking the
was
truth.
speaking the truth.
I was speaking.
I was speaking the truth.
Why it is speaking? Because this is I am speaking. It is simple present tense, and simple present tense, what it is changing to? It is changing to
Simple past.
past tense, right? Okay. So the next one, the teacher said, boys fail because they do not study regularly. Just speak out the answer.
The
The
teacher
teacher
said
said
that boys failed because they
One will
didn't
stop here
study regularly.
because they did not.
Failed
Okay, because this is simple present
because they
tense
did
and
not.
simple present tense will change into simple past tense.
Past tense.
Boys failed
Tense.
because they did not study regularly. Next. They said we cannot cross the river unless the boatman help us. Now change.
They said that they couldn't cross the river.
They could not
Couldn't
couldn't cross the river unless
river unless the boatman
Helped us.
helped them. Helped them.
Them.
them. Okay, it will be helped. Okay,
Helped.
why? Because it is simple present tense and simple present tense change into simple past.
Simple past.
Simple past tense.
Okay, next afterwards again, you said he is a very good athlete. You said he
You said that
You said
he
that
was a very
he
good
was a
athlete.
very good athlete.
he was a very good athlete. Because this is simple present tense, it will be changed into simple past tense. Next, I said I have finished my work.
I said that I
finished
had
my
finished my work.
Had finished my work.
finished my work. I
Work.
had finished my work. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
here next one is he said her parents will pay a visit to Delhi. Apart from Rhythm Garg, now anybody can speak. Rhythm Garg, you will not speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Speak up. Manasvi. Kritika. Kritika, what happened? Okay, Rhythm, start giving the answer.
Yes, ma'am. He said that her parents would pay a visit to Delhi.
Would pay a visit to Delhi because will change into would.
Would.
Okay. The headmaster said those who do not work hard, those who do not work hard failed. Yes, change.
The headmaster said those who did not work hard failed.
The headmaster said those who did not will change.
Didn't do.
Yes, do not will change into did not. Who
Didn't.
work hard
Had
Failed.
failed.
had failed.
Had failed.
Very good, very good. Because simple present tense will change into simple past tense and more
Past.
simple past will change into past
Past
perfect.
Past perfect.
Past perfect. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, let me write on the board. After that, we will do the next ones. Japji can also unmute. Japji, unmute yourself wherever you are. Raise up your hand so that I can unmute you. You can also give the answers. Unmute yourself to give the answers. Yes, good. Next is, I said she was waiting. I said she was waiting for us at her uncle's house. Yes, Japji can answer now. Yes, Japji, you can answer. Okay, give the answer, other students.
I said that she
I
had been
said
waiting for us at her uncle's house.
No, I said right. Why I here? It was she because it is the third
She,
person.
ma'am, she.
She had been
she had.
for us at her uncle's house.
House.
Then us will not change into them.
No,
Ma'am,
मैम असली वो ऑब्जेक्ट से नहीं है ना.
next afterwards, he said this is the index mind. Space is the index of mind.
He said that was the index of him.
What? Speak again. He said that
When this is this,
face is
मैम आपने he said के बाद क्या लिखा है?
face is the index
He
of,
said that face is the index of mind.
yes, there won't be any change because this is universal truth. This is reality.
Universal truth.
Yes, this is
Yes,
reality. For example, the teacher said the earth revolves around the sun.
The teacher said that the earth revolves around the sun.
Yes, there won't be again any change. Why? Because this is what? This is scientific.
Universal
fact.
truth.
Okay, this is scientific truth. I said I am an early bird.
I said that I am an early bird.
I am an early bird. Okay, so why this is not changing? Because this is habitual
Habitual fact.
Actual fact.
habitual action. Then again there is no change in the tense.
मैम historical fact में क्या क्या आता है?
No change. Historical fact may be no change. I am giving one example of historical fact. He said India became free on 15th August 1947. So now change it.
He said that
India became free
August
in
1947.
On 15 August
On
1947. This is historical fact.
1947.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
then again there is no change. Okay. Next, suppose I said again, the teacher said Akbar defeated Hemu in the second battle of Panipat.
The teacher said that Akbar defeated Hemu in the second battle of Panipat.
In the second battle
No
of
change due to
Panipat.
historical fact.
Yes, because this is a historical fact. So again, there won't be any change, right? Next, she said, I am a top class singer.
She said
She
that
said that
she was
she
a top
was
class singer.
a top class singer.
She
She was a
top
was a-
class singer. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Next, afterwards, I'm rubbing the board. Next, continue with the next revision. Next, afterwards, we are having, we said he is writing a poem.
We said
He
that
said that he was,
he was writing a poem.
He was, because simple present will change into simple past.
Simple past.
Simple past tense, it will change. Next, they said we played hockey yesterday. We played hockey.
They said that they
said
had
that
played
they
hockey
had
the
played
previous
hockey.
day.
They had played. Okay, why
Played.
had? Because it is simple past tense. Simple
The
past
past
will change into
Past
perfect tense.
past perfect.
Past perfect. Okay, and past continuous will
Yesterday.
change into past perfect continuous.
Past perfect
You will know
continues.
1:3, 2:4. Okay, you will
4.
remember this.
Yes.
He said it may rain. It may rain tonight.
He said that
He said that it might
it might
rain
rain
tonight.
Into
The
night.
previous night. The previous night.
Night.
today night.
Not today night. Tonight.
The
how-
previous night. Tonight changes into the previous
tonight
night.
will change into that night.
Ma'am, the previous night नहीं होगा.
Previous night means yesterday
Previous
one.
night yesterday.
Okay,
Night मतलब आज.
yesterday
Okay.
one. It is yesterday one. Don't get confused in that. Right? For example, if I write here on board, this will change into
That
into
those
here into
there
there.
okay, now into
then
Then
today into
that day.
that day
then tonight into
That night.
that night
night into that night, because
that
present
night
tomorrow
The next day.
the following day
following
or
day,
the next day
or the next day. Yesterday,
The
the
previous
previous day
day.
the previous day, okay, or the day before. Last night.
the previous night.
Now you got why you were changing tonight into that. Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
last night means the previous night. Okay. Next, ago,
Before
before. Ago, before. Day before yesterday. Day before yesterday. Yes. Now change into
the previous day before
day before yesterday, the previous day. Okay. Day
Day.
before the previous day. Day after tomorrow.
Day before the fall.
the
Day after the
day
following
before the
No,
day
not
after
day
the
will remain day.
next
After
day.
will remain after. The day after
next day
the
The
next
following
day
day,
after
the
the next day.
the day after the next day, because day after will remain day after. Tomorrow we will change whatever it is. Here also day will remain day, before will remain before, and the next one we will change, that is yesterday. Okay. So I hope that now it is clear, no confusion.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm rubbing the board in order to start further. Enough practice of narration has been given to you, and I hope that you people will be able to do it well in the test and in the exam.
Yes, ma'am.
Today I will send you the assignment, you will solve it, and tomorrow in the class we will discuss the answers of this.
मैम जो हम डायरी एंट्री थी मैम वो हमें सिंगल पैरा में लिखनी थी कि 3 पैराग्राफ
Eight
में
paras,
कन्वर्ट
then
करके
it's
लिखनी
fine. I
थी
have not deducted any mark for that. Okay. It can
मैम
be
2
Okay,
पैरास
single-
लिखते हैं ना डायरी में.
next. He said a devil remains a devil.
he said that a devil remains a devil
Why there is no change?
Remained a devil.
because of universal truth.
Because of reality. Okay. Next, the maid servant said. The maid servant said, I am always a loser.
The maid servant said that she
Was always a loser.
she is always a loser.
Yes, she is always a loser because this is reality. This is her statement. So this is the reason why there is no change in the tense. Okay, this is the reason why there is no change in the tense. Okay, next one. The teacher said, Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal.
The
The teacher said that Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal.
The teacher said that Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal because this is historical fact. So there is no change in that. Okay. So in this manner, students, you have to do the narration. Almost all the major rules we have done, and I will send you brackets, send you an assignment in which you will solve, and some more different type I'm going to send you. Okay. Right. So first of all, before leaving the class, let us revise. Simple present tense will change into
Simple past.
Simple
tense.
past.
present continuous will change into
Past
continuous.
continuous.
present perfect into
Past
perfect.
perfect.
okay, simple past will change into
Past
Past perfect.
perfect.
and past continuous will change into
Past perfect
and
continuous.
past perfect
No change.
no change. Past
No
perfect
change.
no change. Will and shall will change into should and would according to the sentence.
Sentence.
Okay.
मैम shall would में change हो सकता है.
Yes, shall में
Shall
would
would
में
में.
change होता है. Tomorrow I will give you examples of that. ठीक है ना? Because during that I have
Okay.
given you examples. We will just revise those examples also. Right? So that's all for today. And tomorrow we will continue with narration as well as practice of prepositions.